My friend, my everything, I give you praise today. My bigness in you, Lord, my Jehovah, my God, my Creator. We Katonda mulungi asinza abantu, buli kigambo ky'oyogera kinewunyisa, togerageranyizibwa ku kintu kyonna, ebyo bye tuwulira oba bye tulaba. Ani alinga ggwe Mukama, ani akwekana? Ani ayinza okugerageranya obuziba bw'amagezi go? Gwe Kabaka oyo afugira wonna, ye ggwe byonna mu byonna tukusinza. Osanide mulamu gaffe, osanide mu maka gaffe, tukusinza Yesu. Osukulumya amagezi gaffe, osukulumya sente zaffe, osukulumya ebintu byonna, osukulumya obugagga bwonna. Gwe Kabaka w'abakabaka, ye gwe Mukama w'amawanga gonna. Osukulumye, teri akusinga amagezi Mukama. Obulamu bwange buli mu ggwe Mukama, tambulira mu ggwe, ndowooza ku ggwe. Obulamu bwange n'ebyonna ebyange biri mu ggwe. My life is in you, Lord. My life is in your presence, Lord. My life, my being, my everything is in you, Lord. Obulamu bwange, byonna ebyange biri mu ggwe. You're the creator, so good, greater than all men. Every word you speak amazes me. You're uncomparable to anything, anything, to the things we've heard or things we've seen. Who is like you compared to you? Can compare to your wisdom, Lord. You are God, you reign over all the earth. You are all in all, we worship you.
We worship you,
mighty God. There is no one like you, Jesus.
Every time shall confess your name.
You are worthy, you are worthy of praise and holiness. Jehovah Rapha, Jehovah Nisi, Jehovah, Jehovah. You are worthy of praise, you are mighty God, you are worthy. You are the beginning and the end. There is no one like you, Jesus. You are the name above all names. We love you, Jesus. We love you, Lord. We worship you. Today, we lift you, Lord. We speak to our infirmities. We speak to every situation. In the presence of God, we worship you, Lord. Nothing prevails in your praise. Every time shall confess your name. We worship you, Lord.
Every time shall confess.
We worship you. We love you, Jesus. We glorify your name. Mighty God, my friend, my everything, I give you praise today. My being is in you, Lord, my Jehovah, my God, my Creator. We Katonda omulungi asinza abantu, buli kigambo ky'oyogera kineewuunyisa, togeraageranyizibwa ku kintu